Hello, my name is Mike Januletis, and I'm the owner of Cornerbull Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Cornerbull Server Manager to monitor disk space. Select File, New, Template. Then select Disk Monitors, then Disks, then Disk Space Monitor. Specify a friendly name. Specify the execution frequency. I'm going to leave the default hourly range schedule, which means the monitor will execute once an hour. If this template is assigned to multiple servers, the execution times are evenly distributed over the hour, enabling the software to minimize resource consumption while maximizing the performance of each monitor. Select Disks and Shares. The help on this page reads, Disk space monitors use administrator disk shares to scan disk space information. You have the option to target all disks or select specific disk or directory shares. To select specific shares, select a computer from the drop-down list or type the computer name or IP address and press Enter. Once populated, check the shares you would like to target. Once configured, assign the target computers. I'm going to deselect Monitor All Shares, select my server, and I'm going to select the C and the D drive. Select the Monitor tab. Here you can configure each disk separately or all at once. If I choose one of the disks, I can click on the Get Disk Space button to get the current free disk space. If I click on the Set Threshold button, the threshold is set to the current percentage free times the multiplier. I can do this for each disk or all disks at once. We can see each disk has a separate free disk space falls below value. Next, select the Actions tab and assign the alerts you would like to trigger. I'm going to send an email to myself. And if you haven't configured this yet, you can select the action, click the pencil icon, and then type in the address. Finally, I'm going to change the alert frequency to once every 3 hours. Click Close. Save your changes. If I expand the server I just configured, I can see the newly created template is now assigned to the server. Now if I right-click and select Execute Now, we can see it run. And if I right-click and select Explore, we can see the monitor history detail. If I select the Explorer tab, I can see a summary of each disk with a graphical representation that includes the threshold values. If I want more detail, I can expand, select a directory, right-click, and select Calculate Size. It will scan the subdirectories and provide a graphical representation of the usage. If we select the historical chart, notice there's an error message, and that's because we've only sampled the data once. If I run it again, we can now see the historical chart.